I think I'm going to start a little. Okay. Well, we're through there now, but okay. Mambo, mambo. Mambo, mambo.
Hello. Hello.
Hello, hello.
So good.
What do you say? So good?
Sema, I am so good.
You're so good, yeah.
He said, I'm so good. I'm so good.
Huh.
He's terrific. So, should I find a place to sleep?
No, I can sleep right. I sleep right in there.
Inside.
Inside.
You are walking with your house.
Well, thank you. Yeah, that is my house.
That is your house.
Yeah, I have a bed and a sink and a stove.
Okay.
And a refrigerator. I got everything in there.
Wow.
So I'll sleep right in there. It would be good, Alex, if I could get. I have an electrical cord. It would be good if I could get plugged into some electric power at your uncle's house or someplace over there.
To charge your phone, so.
For the refrigerator and
Oh. Let us go once we turn back.
Yeah.
We can talk.
Yeah, once we. Yeah. Okay.
Okay. You're looking like a gorilla.
Woo! What is this game?
Yeah.
What
It's football.
What is it?
It's football.
Oh, football. Yeah.
Yeah.
Football. Ah. Uh-oh. What are these guys doing up on the wall there? They're just kind of
waiting for their turn.
waiting for their turn. Okay.
If somebody has beaten, they'll come down.
Okay.
They'll come in.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Woo.
So they are competing.
Okay. This building here looks real nice, real modern with a good roof, you know.
Hmm?
Yeah.
It's interesting. Amazing block. It's amazing block.
Hello. So that is Mount Meru there.
Yeah.
Yeah. Second highest in all of Africa.
Yeah, you can take a picture.
Yeah. Okay. I didn't think that was Kilimanjaro because there's no snow on it, you know.
No snow.
Okay.
But some places, yeah.
We're going across here?
Yeah, we want to go outside.
Oh, to the woods there. Okay.
Let's go.
Okay. We're good. All right. Well, we're through the main village there now, so.
Yeah.
Okay, good. Looks like there's more games going on down over there.